Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing with slime. Slime. So today we also have my assistant, brother, Jaden. He has his own channel, you should check it out. The channel, his name is Jaden Hay. Go check it out. So we're going to be playing with some of these slimes. So let's just get right into it. So I'm going to be playing with this jiggly slime. Very jiggly. And then Jaden is going to be playing with this butter slime. It smells like bubble gum, not popcorn. It's bubble gum. Jiggly. Jaden, you can play with it. Play with it. Jiggly slime. Very blue. Very jiggly as well. I don't know. I opened this. Okay. Put this thing from the camera. Very weird. It's like when you slap someone's stomach. Some help. No? Hurt? Come on, can I actually take the whole thing out? Yeah, you can. There you go. Thank you. Excuse me. Jiggly blue burrito. Jiggly slime blue burrito. You see that? Yeah, there's a little bit of butter slime right there. Can you see it? Okay. There's some more butter slime here. So you can play with both hands. Yeah, I know. Stop it. Just keep slapping it. Just keep slapping it and then jiggle. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next one. Jaden's gonna still play with that one, I guess. Yes, he is. I'm just gonna be playing with this one. This one's a homemade slime. Why is there two containers in it? I don't know. This one's a homemade slime. Very pretty. Makes a lot of loud crunches. Very loud crunches. For a small slime like that. Just gonna make a loud crunch. Can't play in front of the camera. Right here. Oh my gosh. That. Can't make long crunches like that. So I'm trying to make some loud crunches. As you can see, it's probably not working. There's some. There's fishbone bees. There's like these little thingamabobbers. There's some fruits. And then there's a lot of glitter, purple and gold. Probably can't see the gold very good. There's some of those glitters. So like there's a watermelon, there's a lime. And there's like an orange, I think. There's a hole. Hi guys. Jim, what in the world are you doing? Jim, play right here. Play in front of the camera. It's right there. Okay, we're moving on to the next one. I'm gonna play with this one probably. Very pretty. Glob, glob. Look at this thing. Face glob. Face glob ice cream. Yes. It's the color of ice cream. This one's one of my favorites because it's really pretty and it's really stretchy at the same time. It makes very loud crunches. I can show you a really loud crunch. just have to do this. I can barely see you with all the glitter. Very loud. As you can probably maybe tell. Then you can talk. I don't care. Yay! Attempt at making a slime swirl. If I fail, I don't know what I'm gonna do. And swirl. I failed. That. Slime swirl. I don't know. Comment down below my rating. So here's some of the other slimes that I have. Comment down below if you want me to play with other of these slimes. So bye guys. We'll see you again next time in the next video.